Hello everyone, my name is Angelia Hutauruk. I study at Nursing Academy of North Tapanuli. In this video, I want to tell you about the life of Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was a woman who was born in Florence, Italy on May 12, 1820. Her father was William Nightingale and her mother was Frances Nightingale. Florence Nightingale is a descendant of people residing in her area. She had a dream to become a nurse. At the age of 20, Florence Nightingale asked her parents for permission to study nursing in a hospital. But her parents didn't agree and forbade her wish because her parents knew how the hospital was at the time. And at the time, nursing is a despisable job and a hospital is a very dirty place for there. But she kept trying. At the age of 24, Florence Nightingale persuaded again her parents to give her the opportunity to become a nurse. But her parents still refused and told her to get married soon. She always tried, and at the age of 30, Florence Nightingale attended nursing education at Kaiserswerth, and after graduation, Florence Nightingale worked with another nurse in a hospital. Florence Nightingale's career began in 1854 during a Crimean War between Russia and Turkey. Thousands of victims suffered injuries and were accommodated in former war barracks. Overcrowded ward, inadequate equipment, and an unsanitary environment caused many diseases of cholera, which resulted in death. But with the kindness of her heart, she used her own money and help from the British government. Florence Nightingale carried out repairs to the ward, and then the death rate could be reduced. On night, when the nursing wards are dark, quiet, and desert, Florence Nightingale conducted night patrol with a small lamp in her hand. The shining lights melt away, symbolizing the happiness of weak people who need help. Florence Nightingale always carries a lantern every night to check every ward and pay attention to the people who are being treated there, so that she is nicknamed the Lady with the Lamp. Florence Nightingale is a nurse who always is providing care to anyone with a sincerity and full of responsibility with a cheerful heart for her fellow human beings until the end of her life on August 13, 1910.